Hello guys, in today's video we'll be showing you how to turn off automatic refresh on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So as you see, first of all you have to enter the application and then go to these three lines right here, and next go to the settings and then go to this to the general settings as you see, and then here you will find this allow automatic refresh. Just click on it and it will be turned off as you see. So that's it. That's how to turn off automatic refreshes and quickly, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.